Hello and welcome back to the Chronicle, dear friends. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create label for your wedding invitation or any other program using MS Excel and MS Word. First of all, take a MS Word blank document, and in that select mailing. Under mailing, start mail merge and click on labels, and under label vendor, select every US letter, and every US letter you have to enter code 48160 eco-friendly address labels. So select OK. Now you have to select recipient. Under recipient, select use existing list. So I have a ready list in Excel, so I'll select that list and I'll select and click OK. So the eco-friendly address label has been created. Now insert your fields: name, enter, and address, enter, and select area, and then enter, select country, enter. After doing this, you have to click on update labels. Click on update labels. After clicking on update labels, you will get the text like this. Now you have to preview results. So the data has been imported in the form of labels from the Excel sheet. So now it's ready to use. You can take printout and cut labels, and you can use for whatever your weddings, your programs, like this. So little bit of editing you have to do for just for making it properly adjusted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.